Altro Tegulis half-lap installation guidance. Altro Tegulis half-lap jointed sheets are ideally suited for wet areas or areas that will be subject to high levels of moisture. The half-lap jointing method provides a watertight seal along the edges of the sheet to stop the ingress of water. This jointing method is ideal for commercial kitchens, bathrooms and wet rooms, or any area that is subject to high levels of humidity. Prepare the substrate and mark out a datum line. Measure, mark out and cut the first sheet. Dry fit the first sheet to ensure the correct sizing. Fully mix the adhesive. Apply the adhesive to the back of the first sheet. Ensure the adhesive is kept 10 to 15 mm from the edge of the sheet. Apply sealant to all edges of the back of the sheet. Place the sheet to the wall. Ensure the cut edge is to the outer edge of the installation. Ensure the datum line marked on the sheet aligns exactly with the datum line on the substrate. Roller the sheet onto the wall. Measure, mark up and cut the second sheet. Dry fit the second sheet. Apply adhesive and edge sealant as done for the previous sheet. Apply sealant to the lip of the half lap for the first sheet. Apply sealant to the inside corner of the substrate. Place the second sheet onto the wall. Ensure the grout lines on the sheet are exactly aligned. Roller the second sheet onto the wall. Dry fit, measure and cut the external two-part corner trim. Apply sealant to the rear of the trim backer. Apply the trim backer to the corner of the wall. Measure, mark up, cut and dry fit the third sheet. Apply adhesive and edge sealant to the back of the third sheet and place the third sheet onto the wall. Roller the sheet onto the wall. Apply sealant to the face of the corner trim backer. Repeat the previous steps as needed. Ensure that the grout lines line up with the previous sheet. Once all the sheets have been installed, remove the protective film. Install the trim cover in place, gently using a soft mallet to tap it into place. Clean the sheet with solvent wipes, removing any excess sealant. Apply sealant to the internal corner.